Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn and Lauren here for shesaved.com, and we are back with another Glossybox unboxing. This is the Mother's Day 2021 box. We just unboxed for you the Spring April 2021 box, and it was amazing. This was our first time reviewing a Glossybox box, and we were super impressed. So we're really excited about the Mother's Day box, and we are going to open this up for the first time with you right now. And as you can see, go ahead and unzip that. These come to you in a really nice box. The outside box is really nice, but the inside box is fantastic. So again, oh, look how pretty. That is really pretty. This is, again, the Mother's Day box. So great gift idea. And these are just so well done. They just feel really, really special.
These get me so excited.
I know they do. I know they do.
Okay. Oh, it's so pretty.
Look, on the outside it says handpicked just for you.
Oh.
Just really well done. Okay, we'll move this other box out of the way. And I will include links down below to everything that we've been sharing today. This is so neat. It just kind of comes... Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
So this is everything in here. So we'll just take a peek. We'll learn a surprise. We've got the little seal there. Just see how pretty these are. And I just think to gift this to someone has the neatest feel to it.
Wow.
Oh, those goodies. Okay, all right.
Ready?
Well, dig in. Start showing me, and I'll try and find them on our list here.
This is a relief cream.
Okay, that's from FOY, and that's a Deluxe Mini.
Cute.
And the great thing about these boxes is no matter what you pay for them, you really, really, really do get huge value on these boxes always. And that's just part of the fun of the surprise. This is from Cab Cosmetics. It's a full-size red velvet matte liquid lipstick. Oh, I love liquid lipstick. Okay.
Yeah.
They just all look so rich and fancy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
That's from Authentic Beauty Concept.
Replenish mask.
Okay. We
Awesome.
like that one. That's a travel size, which actually that's another bonus to some of these, getting items that you can travel with easily too. Bioderma. That looks like, can you tell what that is? Oh, it's a Deluxe Mini Matte Control. Very cool.
Cute. Oh, I love the packaging on this.
Me too. Snow Fox Skincare Herbal Youth Oil.
Cool. So cute.
Oh my goodness. Can you imagine getting this as a gift? Like,
Yeah.
That's what I love about these, especially like if men are trying to find a great gift, you could not go wrong with this.
Perfume.
Okay, that's a Deluxe Mini. It's Mugler perfume. Ooh, I love travel perfumes too. Okay.
It smells really good. I can smell it from here.
Oh, I can tell there's some good things in here. Let's see. Bumble. That is one of my favorite brands.
Oh, awesome. Little surf.
Surf Styling Leave-In. Make waves wherever you go. Nice. And it's got a UV protective, it's a UV protective gel cream. Cute packaging too. Okay, and then what is this?
I think these might be some sunglasses.
Yes. Velvet Eyewear.
Ooh.
These are the Jessie sunglasses. Ooh, nice. Oh my goodness. Like, this is just such a great gift.
These are really cute.
This might be one of the best boxes we've done. This is really, really well done. Obviously, really nice value here. I will include links down below as to where you can purchase these, any current deals and offerings. But wow, super impressed with this box, wouldn't you say, Lauren?
Yes.
Again, this is the Mother's Day 2021 box from Glossybox, and definitely impressed with this one. This is Carrie Lynn and Lauren for shesaved.com.